How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I am going to talk about how to make your forearm veins show. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. Helps my channel grow. Click the bell notification button so you guys get all my newest videos. So my veins are coming in pretty decent. You guys can see right in here. They are coming in very, very nicely. You can see in here. And you see the definition in my forearm. It's coming in very, very nicely. So I'll show you a couple exercises. Again, I'm nowhere near the actual weight I want to be. I'm sitting at 184. I want to be about 175. So I still have about 10 pounds to drop. I've already dropped 17 pounds. So I'm going to show you guys some forearm exercises that you guys can do. First one that we're going to do is probably the best one out of all of them, and that's going to be forearm twists. So we'll do about 20 reps. I'll show you guys some different exercises. So follow along with me, 20 reps. So that's really good, great exercise. The next one that we're gonna do is we're gonna do arm circles, which is great for your forearms. We'll do about 20 reps. You can do it either way. It doesn't matter if you do them clockwise or counterclockwise, just perform 20 reps. So it's gonna be like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 20 reps, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So those are two great exercises. I will show you guys another one. This one is very, very good too. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna stick our arms out, and then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna curl like this. And what you guys notice when I do this, you guys can literally see my forearm, and you can see the veins right here, you guys. You can literally see my forearms being worked when I do this. So you can see the veins right in here. So what we're gonna do is 20 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. Perfect, you guys, very, very, very good. Great job. So that's the workout. Do about 5 sets. So you can do each exercise, take a break for about 10 seconds, do it again 5 times, or you can do all 3 exercises, take a break, and then just do all 3 again 5 times. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell notification button. You guys get all my newest vids.